They both mean it didn't have to happen, but they tell two different stories about why. One is a reflex, the other is a shield. Think of avoidable as a matter of choice. It's about the path you take. Most accidents are avoidable because they happen at a crossroads of decision. Don't text and drive. If you stay away from the dangerous situation, the problem never finds you. It's about direction. You see the hole in the road, and you walk around it. But preventable, that's about preparation. It's about making the problem impossible before it even starts. Vaccines don't help you avoid a virus. They prevent it. Safety systems are built to stop the crisis. It's about system. You don't just walk around the hole. You fill it in advance. Avoidable is about the person. Preventable is about the process. You avoid a fight by walking away. You prevent a fight by building peace. One is about what you don't do. The other is about what you've already done.